Welcome to our channel. Here is a wonderful opportunity from PayPal. PayPal is conducting the off-campus drive for the freshers. It is a software engineering role. If you don't know about the PayPal, I give the small introduction about PayPal. PayPal is an American company. As we know that PayPal is an American company, it is mainly working on the online payment systems. And job role is junior software engineer. If you selected for this job, then your job role will be junior software engineer. There is no minimum maximum experience needed. If you are the fresher, then happily you can apply. And the salary, there is no fixed salary as of now, and it is for the 2019 and 2000 graduate. If you are passed out in 2019 2020, then this job suits for you. And here is a small job description mentioned that candidate will be involved in the development team and is expected to be a self-starter and team leader and have a strong drive for results and continual improvement. You want to be in a flexible in nature, and here is a small responsibility if you are selected in this job that are has a basic understanding of technical concepts and will be involved in discussing with senior leaders and work with the engineers and have the functionality in research, project management, quality assurance operations, etc. And you wanted to develop a great software that meets the market needs. And if you are selected in this job, then the primary location is Chennai, located in Tamil Nadu, India, and other additional location. That means if you are selected, they will give the major preference for the Chennai. If according to the market demands, they can also relocate your job location to the Bangalore. I will provide the total details and apply link in the description. You can go and check there. Have a great day and thank you.